I'm here with Joe Johnson of Target Trading Academy. We get asked all the time, what is Target Trading Academy? Is this some sort of MLM or pyramid scheme?
Short answer, no. One of the main differences, if you start talking about pyramid schemes, is that you're expected to sell somebody else's product. We're a trading education company, right? We don't have any expectations on any of our students to go out and solicit people, or we don't take any part of your profits if you make money trading. The only way we make money is by new student enrollment, just like a school. Like if you wanted to become a CPA or a carpenter or a plumber, you go to trade school, right? That's what we offer. So at the end of the day, whatever profits that you potentially make are yours to keep.
I don't have a lot of money to invest. Is this something I can still do?
Absolutely. There's different instruments that you can trade. There's the micro contracts and there's the mini contracts. Typically, when somebody wants to get into trading, you can fund an account with a brokerage with as little as $500. Okay, but if you want to truly do this and have it be a potential income earner for you, we recommend 3 to 5,000 to get started. Okay, understanding that there's different barriers of entry. You have to factor in the education cost. Just like if you wanted to become a plumber, like I said before, or if you wanted to become a carpenter or CPA, you have to pay for school, right? Our programs are affordable for 95% of the people I talk to because we can break them down over a 12-month period. The other thing to consider when trading is risk management. We're going to teach you how to manage the money that you do have. So before you ever make a live trade, you can do it comfortably and confidently and understand how much to risk on every single trade, so it keeps you from potentially blowing out your account like people have been known to do because they don't know how to manage their money.
Next question we get is, I want to do this, but I have absolutely no knowledge on what the stock market is, what a futures contract is. What is any of this?
Okay, that's actually why we exist. Everyone knows that the stock market exists. Turn on the news. You'll hear the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Dow, right? That's all they talk about. What we do is we teach you how to capitalize or potentially make money in the market on short-term trades. And when I say the market, it might be the S&P 500, where it's just like a group or an index of the top 500 companies. So you know Apple, you know Tesla, you know some of the big name players, right? One of the biggest misconceptions is that you can only make money when the market's going up. Well, people who know how to trade futures or other instruments know how to make money when the market's going down. And that's ultimately what we're going to teach you, is how to make money regardless of which way the market moves when you use the methodology that our coaches teach to every single day in the room. We'll teach you how to read a chart. We'll teach you how to pinpoint an entry, when to get out of a trade. All these things are important to know before you ever risk a live, real dollar in the market. So if you look at these charts behind me, we'll teach you what all of this means, how to get in, how to get out, when the market's running up like this or when it's going sideways like this, when to stay out of it, when to get in.
Is Target Trading a brokerage? Do you guys take their money and trade for them?
We are not a brokerage. We are a trading education company. You don't give us your money to trade for you. We teach you how to manage your own money. There are hundreds of brokers, but we don't have any financial ties or any kickbacks or anything like that with any brokerage or platform providers. The hard part for most people is knowing when to actually trade and when to sit on your hands. And that's where the education comes in. So whatever trades you make, you pay your commissions to your broker, that money is in your account, it's yours. We don't see any of that.
We got asked the question, a lot of people work a full-time job and there's just no way they'll ever be able to trade in the mornings. Is this possible?
Absolutely. One of the best parts about trading futures, when you are ready to actually live trade, you can trade almost 23 hours a day. Monday through Friday, the market is open. It opens, or it's closed on Saturday. It opens again Sunday night. You can trade at 2 o'clock in the morning, just like you could trade 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But if you have an interest in trading, and you can only trade between the hours of 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., just know that there's available times for you. We even do classes at night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time 3 days a week. We have an open Q&A every Tuesday at 7 p.m. for all of our students. And our online course content is available to you 24 hours a day, Plus, it's mobile optimized. So you can log in from your smartphone, your tablet, your computer. It doesn't matter. Anywhere you have access to the internet, anywhere in the world, you have the ability to learn.
Another great question we get here is, I've got an advisor. Why not just pay him to do the investing for me?
Well, you touched on a key word there, investing. What we're looking at, or what we talk about, is futures trading. It's short-term trades every single day. Your advisor, an investment advisor, is taking a longer-term approach. Think of it like a 401k, IRA, or some sort of long-term plan, right, for retirement. With trading futures, you're putting yourself in control of your money every single day if you choose to do it. Now, let me ask you a question. Who cares more about your money, you or your advisor? Because that person's getting paid no matter what.
And lastly, the question we probably get asked most is, if the educators and yourself and everyone is so successful, then why are they doing this education? Why not just sit back and trade and let them do their thing?
Probably the number one question I get. And if you really break it down, think of it like this. Most successful people in this world, millionaires, billionaires, or just business people, believe in multiple streams of income. In fact, most of them have up to 6 different streams of income. So not only do our educators here simply like to teach, right? It's another source of revenue for them. On top of that, take an MBA class. Take a night class and earn your master's degree in business. Every one of those instructors is typically running a business or works for a business or has since retired from running a business and is now teaching for 2 reasons: income and the sheer fact that they like to teach. Well, it's no different whether you're doing trade school like us or a trade like carpentry. Those instructors still practice in the field. They still make money. Any successful person in the world will tell you multiple streams of income is important. 2 perfect examples of what I just mentioned: Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. They're both billionaires. Hell, Elon Musk is the richest person in the world. Everybody knows Elon Musk having SpaceX and Tesla, but he's really part owner of about 20 different companies. Mark Cuban is on Shark Tank. He's buying into companies every single week. Do you think he believes in, or Elon believes in, multiple streams of income? It's not that they need the money. It's just who they are and what makes them successful. Look, obviously, I represent Target Trading Academy. You don't have to take my word for it. I challenge you to go online and find a negative review on us. Check us out on Trustpilot. But more importantly, listen to what some of our current students say in our testimonials. They're not paid testimonials. These are people who went out of their way to give us a review and talk about their experience. And you'll find out why we're the #1 trading education company on the planet. Now ask yourself this: do you want to be successful?
For anyone considering trading futures, Pat is the only way to go. I've wasted tens of thousands of dollars on education that just wasted a lot of time and caused a lot of frustration. Pat has shown me step by step by step how to do the system and his method. It works, it's consistent, and if you want to make money trading futures, get in touch with Pat and he'll show you the way.
These guys, let me tell you, both of these guys know their stuff. They are totally amazing. Don't change anything that they tell you to do. Just listen to it, follow it, no matter what you want to think up here. Trust me, you're wrong. You are wrong. Listen to them.
Hey, this is Zena Cormier, and I am at the Chicago airport, just getting back from the Traders Loft for Target Trading Academy's wonderful training with Dan O'Brien. These guys are absolutely top-notch professionals and amazing, wonderful instructors. We had the best time. It was so informative. Great lessons learned. I am ready to kick my trading into high gear. If you will never go wrong with these guys. They're the best there is. I look forward to it again next time. Thank you for taking everyone to the next level in our trading business. We're so appreciative of you. and your time. Thanks again.